All right, in this part of the lesson, we're going to learn how to construct triangles using angle measures. So we're going to start out with drawing a straight line. So you guys are going to take your ruler or protractor, straight edge, and you're going to draw a straight line. Now we're going to use both sides of the line. Okay, so we don't want to use our protractor and put it in the middle. We're actually going to go ahead and go with both sides of our line. So I'm going to start out with one of them, and I'm going to put my protractor on there, line it up, making sure that we're in the middle and lining up along the bottom edge. And let me pull this out so that I can see what they want us to do. So we're going to draw a triangle with the angle measures of 60, 60, and 60. So I'm going to start out with getting two of those done. In the end, once I connect everything together, it's going to create that third angle measure. So I'm going to go ahead, obviously, and do two 60-degree angles. So one of them is going to be from one end of the line, and the other is going to be from the other end. So I'll start out here. So when I do this, well, remember it's always pointing towards the zero. So here's a 60-degree angle measure. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a line through that. So I'm going to move my protractor and I'm going to cut a line through the end of my line and through there. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and I'm actually going to, and you can extend your line as long as you want, because in the end, I would highly recommend using a pencil for this because then you can erase your extra. So I'm going to go ahead now from this end, I'm going to do a 60-degree, my other 60-degree angle measure. So I'm pointing towards the outside here, right? So, or towards the zero, sorry. My zeros are on the inside, so here's my 60 degrees. So I'm going to mark here. And I am going to do a straight line through my two blue dots. Now, notice as I did that, it doesn't create a full triangle. So I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm actually going to extend out this line until they touch. Now, you guys would just take your pencil and then I'm going to take and erase this, or actually I'm backing it up, but you would take your pencil and you would erase that out. And there's my 60, 60, and then my third angle up here is also a 60. So that's an equilateral, equal angular triangle. All right, so let's go ahead and try another one. I'm going to keep my straight line out there because I'll always start with a straight line. Oops. Okay, so this time we are going to create a triangle that has a measure of 40, 70, and 70. So I'm going to pick two. It does not matter which two. And we're going to go ahead and draw those two angles. So let's go ahead and start here. And I'm going to do a 40-degree angle measure. Line up. Remember, it's pointing towards my zero, so that's my outside numbers. There's 40. Draw my line through that. And then I'm going to line this up on this end this time. So on my blue, doesn't mean I'm connecting to that red. I have to do another angle measure. So this time, let's see, I did that 40 there. Obviously I have to do one of the 70s. So here is my other end. So I'm using my inside numbers. There's 70. Use my straight edge. Cut through like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and back these up so that it actually creates a triangle without all the extra. You guys would use your eraser and erase that off. There is my triangle that has a 40 and two 70-degree angles.